Trey Jack Peter Jack I don't even know how it's really how my peasy. I'm peasy, but I'm Trey Jack You call me Lil Maestro. And my life's a gamble. Watch how to watch how to dice roll. I don't really give a fuck. Yeah, I'm tryna make it. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Why the fuck the baby try to play? Why the fuck little baby try to play? She tryna play. She don't even know why. She don't even know why, but you know I'm down to die about it. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I'm slap at it. Niggas, yeah, you know I'm about it. For the sick shit, no, I'm about to get it for the sick shit. I don't really get no fuck shit, I gotta take it, cause I am the take care. Hop in the fences, me and my set. I did hands, $1 million mindset. I did the same, I don't even get her upset. I ain't little baby, yeah, you know I'm up next. I did the sentence, hey, cause I'm up next. I don't really get no fuck shit, yeah, little baby want rough sex. Yeah, rough sex, yeah, I'm dumping. I don't really give no fuck shit, I'm bumping to. I don't really give a fuck shit to the grind shit. I'ma run it up, give no fucks, watch your mind, kid. It's your mind, kid. Matter of fact, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Watch it. Cause if I went upside your head, I wouldn't be out of pocket. Or would I be? Or would I be? On the 6, so you know that I would die. Out the cheddar. Got the moolah. I take a nigga life quick if he the jeweler. Grimy 96, baby, stuff him in the cooler. I'm in the cooler. I swear I would. Where I would. Easy back on, walking off laughing while I spark a wood. Honeyberry wood. I would just in a stew, no stress in the stew. 206 or don't miss, gotta do what you gotta do. In the rain shit, training. Life a movie, 206 is outrageous.